Hey everyone, Ryan here from Foxtech. If you've been wondering how to voice activate the camera on your iPhone, I'm going to walk you through how to do that today. It's pretty simple to set up, and I'll show you how to both open the camera using just your voice and how to actually take a picture without touching your phone. Now, if all you want is to just open the camera app using your voice, that's really easy. First, make sure Siri is enabled on your iPhone. You can do this by going into your settings, tapping on Siri, and making sure everything is set up and ready to go. Once you've got Siri working, all you have to do is say something like, "Open up the camera" or "Take a selfie," and Siri will open the camera app for you. The limitation with using Siri is that it can't actually take the picture. It'll get you into the camera app, but you still have to press the shutter button yourself, which is fine for some. But if you want to go hands-free, there's a better way. To take a picture using just your voice, you'll need to set up voice control. Here's how you do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to Accessibility, and then tap on Voice Control. Turn voice control on and you're good to go. Once voice control is enabled, you can either say Open Camera to launch the camera app or just open it up manually. Now, to actually take a picture, all you have to do is say turn up the volume or turn down the volume. These commands will work because they mimic pressing the volume buttons, which trigger the camera's shutter, so your iPhone will snap the picture without you having to touch anything. This is the most straightforward way to voice. Activate your camera and take photos hands-free. But if you're interested in more advanced options, like using Siri shortcuts or creating custom voice commands to take photos, we've got another video that goes into more detail. I'll link it below in the description, and it's definitely worth checking out if you want more control over the voice commands you use. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you figure out how to voice activate your iPhone camera and make the most of hands-free photos. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you later.